Assalamu alaikum. Free response for Unit 4. Read the question, please. The answer is 0 because there is no external force F net external equal to 0. There is no external force acting on this object or in this system, Since there is no external force acting on the system, the center of mass will stay at its initial motion, which is at rest. So the center of mass will not move. Let's look at question number 4. Read, please. Here we have perfectly inelastic collagen, because after collagen they stuck together, both the truck and the car. B initial equal to B final, the mass 1 times V1 initial plus mass 2 times V2 initial equal to mass, total mass. Since they stick together, now we consider them as one thing, one mass. M total, let's call it, multiplied by V final. Okay, the truck has 4 masses, or let's 4M, multiplied by, initially it has V, capital, that plus M times 0, because the car was at rest. That's equal to 4M plus M times V final. Of course, 4MV equal 5MV final. So V final equal 4 over 5 V. So the answer is B. Of course, here, since it's inelastic collision, we can't use the kinetic energies, the conservation of kinetic energy. We can only use the conservation of the momentum. Next question is topic 4.4. Question 3 in topic 4.4. Okay. Now, car A of mass 2m is moving with constant speed, to the right on a horizontal track. Now, cart B of mass m. I was organizing something. Cart B of mass m is initially at rest. As shown, the cart collide elastically. Which of the following best describes the motion of the carts immediately after collision? What do you think here? Actually, since the moving mass is greater than the mass at rest, we will have here a situation where both carts will keep moving to the same direction, because the moving one was greater than the mass of the moving one was greater than the mass at rest. So both carts will stay moving to will keep moving to the right. But since the speed now, or the momentum now, will be with greater mass, so the velocity will be decreased. So it will not be the same speed. The velocity will be decreased, or the speed will be decreased, and it will go to the right. So both carts will move to the right with different speeds. Okay, طبعا different speeds, those speeds are less than the original ones. طيب. Question number 5 in that topic. Please read it. An object moving on a horizontal frictionless surface makes a glancing collision with another object initially at rest on the surface. In this case, which of the following is true about the momentum and the kinetic energy? Of course, after any collision, the momentum is conserved. So we can cancel any, okay, for example, this one, any option that says momentum is not conserved, we can cancel it. Okay, also, okay, this one will be cancelled because it says may be conserved about the momentum, which is not true. Momentum is always conserved. This is the right thing. So now we stuck with A, C, or D. Now, in this problem, they didn't mention that it's elastic or inelastic. It's not perfectly inelastic because the objects will not stick together. But it might be elastic, it might be inelastic. If it's elastic, then the kinetic energy is conserved. If it's not elastic, the kinetic energy is not conserved. So what we sure about is the momentum is conserved. But we don't know exactly if the kinetic energy is conserved or not, and that is stated in option A. Thank you.